back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. I create beauty, lifestyle, self-care, and healing content. If any of those content interests you, then definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave and the notification bell. So today I'm here with an experiment. So throughout my many different wash days that I have filmed, about 80% of the time I deep condition on dry, dirty hair, and then there are some times where I deep condition on freshly shampooed hair. And a lot of you guys have asked in my comment section sometimes, like, do I think it's beneficial? Like, does it even work? Like, do you feel like your hair is getting everything it needs? And then there's a lot of you guys that says, oh, I do that too, or they're like, no, I prefer this. So I kind of wanted to do an experiment for myself as well, because I'm like, am I jipping my hair out of like maximum hair care? Like, I don't know. The reason why I deep condition on dry hair is because I don't like going in and out of the shower. I don't like it. I don't want to do it. I don't want to get in, get all wet, get clean, dry off, sit for like 30 minutes, and then have to go back in and get wet again. Like, no. Like, I'm done with my hair. I'm comfy. I don't want to go back in. And then there's times where I wash my hair in the sink to purposely be able to deep condition after I shampoo, and then that could cause tangles a little bit because, you know, you're flipping your hair back and forth. So it's just like, you know, what are you gonna do? So today I wanted to do an experiment to see, does it really matter if you deep condition before or after shampoo? Is your hair still getting the full benefits, the same benefits of the treatment? That's what I wanted to find out. Like, am I jeopardizing my hair's full potential by not deep conditioning after shampooing? I don't know. So today we're gonna find out together. So let's go ahead and get into the experiment. Okay guys, so I'm starting out with month-old hair that was straightened. I've done clip-in since then. I've worn my hair in a bun since then. I've been working out 5 times a week since then. Yeah. Okay. So the right side we are going to use for conditioning on dry hair, and the left side we are going to be using for conditioning on freshly shampooed hair. So we're going to see the difference. So, and if you see me looking down, it's because I have a mirror down here. It's going to be the dry side, and I am going to shampoo this side so it's clean, and I am going to shampoo twice, which is my normal shampoo habit. So I'm actually going to put this up, and I'm going to put a shower cap on this side to help protect it as much as possible and not get it wet, while I am shampooing the other side. So the shampoo that I'm going to use for both sides, am I focused? Okay. So the shampoo I'm going to be using for both sides is the Shea Moisture Raw, the Shea Moisture Moisture Retention Shampoo. So I'm going to shampoo this side first, and then after I deep condition both sides, I'm going to then go back and shampoo this side. So let me go ahead and wash this side, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this side of my hair is now freshly shampooed. So the deep conditioner that I'm going to use for this, so I guess, I don't know, I probably should have been using a moisturizing deep conditioner to really feel if your hair feels like more softer or not, but it doesn't matter. I think this is more so about, like, does it actually penetrate your hair any differently or not? Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a strengthening deep conditioner, which is really, this one is actually a balancing deep conditioner for me. So it has, like, I would say, protein and moisturizing agents, and it doesn't leave my hair feeling super hard or anything like that because I am protein sensitive. So this is the Mega Growth Anti-Breakage Strengthener Deep Conditioner. It's been a while since I've used protein on my hair, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. So this hair is freshly washed. I'm just going to go ahead and separate this into 2 sections just to make sure that I am applying this to my whole head in an even manner. Okay guys, so I have finished applying the deep conditioner to this side of my hair. I am going to just put the deep conditioner cap on this side so it doesn't dry out or anything, and it can keep its moisture while I do the other side. Right, so now for the dry side of my hair. Now for this side, we'll go ahead and split it into two again. And get this side up out of the way, and we're gonna start to apply the deep conditioner over here. Now whenever I'm deep conditioning on dry hair, I always take a spray bottle and mist my hair, and this is going to basically prep the hair and get it ready for a deep condition and open up the hair follicles to receiving the product. Okay guys, so I'm all done applying the deep conditioner to both sections of my hair. So I'm going to let this sit in for a minimum of about 30 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have actually left the deep conditioner on my hair for probably an hour and some change. I got carried away watching TV. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you guys what my hair is looking like, and I'll just take a section down at a time. So this is the part that I shampooed before and then applied the deep conditioner. It feels really good. It definitely feels pretty soft. Yeah, it feels pretty good. Of course, we won't be able to really tell which one is better until we rinse it out. But I will say this side feels pretty good. It definitely feels like the product worked its way into my hair strands. And this is the side that we deep conditioned on dirty, dry hair. And I feel like I can't tell the difference, to be honest, you guys, I really can't. I feel like this side actually feels like silkier, smoother. And this side feels more textured. But I'm assuming it's because I shampooed this side first, so my natural texture is more evident. And this side was straight. I was gonna say straight, it was straight, so I guess that's probably why it probably has like a smoother touch to it. But overall, I feel like my hair kind of reverted the same amount, but we're gonna see. So this is what the hair is looking like so far. It's behaving the same on both sides. They both feel equally as soft. This side is just a little bit more like silkier. So what I'm going to do now is, obviously I'm going to rinse this side out that was already shampooed, and I always like to go in after I deep condition with a thinner consistency conditioner, and that's going to basically help for detangling my hair. So the one I've been loving lately is the Pantene Pro V, and this is a Daily Moisture Renew conditioner, and I do like that one a lot better than the Aussie Moist conditioner. So I'm going to rinse this hair out, apply that conditioner, detangle my hair, and rinse it out again. This side I am going to shampoo out my hair, apply the rinse out conditioner, detangle, rinse out, and then come back. And then we will see the final look of my hair on both sides to see, is there really a difference? Okay guys, so I'm back. I just washed out both sides of the hair. This is shampoo. shampooed, so we are going to see the results. I keep getting these tangled. Okay, so this is the side that was shampooed first, deep conditioned on clean hair, and then I rinsed it out and did the rinse out conditioner. It's definitely has like a stronger feel to it. Like even the ends, they don't feel like as brittle or anything like that. And as you can see, the majority of my hair did revert back, and it did come down a little bit further for the ends. Doesn't look as straggly anymore because more of my hair reverted throughout the ends except for the very last. And I feel like my ends honestly are straight because I used to use henna products in my hair. I used to make like a henna dip if you've been on my channel, and when you use those products, you guys, henna does naturally loosen your texture as well. So if you're going to be using henna and heat training, your hair will become straighter a lot faster. I have not used henna in my hair for, I feel like going on almost, is it almost 3 years? Or is it 2 years? It's definitely over 2 years. So it's like 2.5 years now. And I feel like you can kind of tell. So like my ends of my hair, and I've cut my hair a lot since then as well. I cut my hair last year. So I've cut off the majority of my hair that I used to use henna. And I feel like this is honestly the last little bit of hair that has henna on it, because henna doesn't leave your hair, you guys. Once henna is in your hair, it's sealed in your strands. So I've been heat training now, like going on a year, probably more than that. And as you can see, even though my hair grows out, I still maintain my natural thickness and my natural pattern, to be honest, for the most part. It may be a little bit looser, but you can see like the naturalness in my hair is still there. So these ends, honestly, I don't even want to contribute to heat damage, but it is a combination of using henna on my hair and heat training my hair. And that's also another reason why I haven't used henna products in so long, because I did notice that, and the whole point of me going natural was to have the thickest hair possible, even though I am straightening my hair. So yeah, and my hair is definitely drying up really quick right now. So we saw this side. This is the side that we deep conditioned on dry hair and then shampooed out. And this is what it's looking like. So off the bat, this side definitely felt, it has more texture in it. Definitely felt like a lot, I don't want to say like stronger, but it had more texture and it just had more coarseness in it. This side, I'm not gonna lie, is like has a softer feel to it. But as you can see, texture still coming out, and yeah, so the thickness goes pretty out until just like the last little bit. Same thing on this side, but the same thing, since it's been growing out that damage and since I've been heat training, the thickness of my hair has still like shined through. It's just the ends. This side is softer, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, and I did this before, but that also could be because this side was shampooed, so it got to really get the full benefit of the strengthening treatment, versus this had a little bit of a barrier with the old products. So it still got the treatment, but because my hair was previously coated, I don't know if that's why it just has a smoother feel. Yeah, I don't know, but all in all, I feel like either way, my hair still got the benefit of the treatment on both sides, to be honest. This side was easier to detangle once I rinsed out the conditioner, shampooed, and applied my detangling conditioner. Basically, this side was a lot easier to detangle. This side does feel a lot stronger, so I'm not gonna lie, I will say that this side definitely probably got the most benefit from the treatment because it was freshly cleansed and there was nothing in the way of the treatment soaking in to the hair. This side of hair definitely feels strong as well. So it got the benefit, but just not, I guess, the maximum benefit that it could have. So all in all, I honestly feel like either way, your hair is going to get the benefit of whatever treatment you do, and it's honestly just all preference, which that's what hair has really been. It's just your preference, whatever is easier for you. Okay guys, so that wraps up the experiment. It was very interesting testing it out, feeling my hair and seeing what was what. Personally, I'm going to continue to deep condition on dry hair on those days, which is 90% of the time when I do my hair, because I just don't feel like going in and out. And my hair is still getting the treatment from the deep conditioner. Like, it may not be penetrating to the maximum ability, of course, but you know what? I'm good with what it's getting. I don't think my hair is complaining. So let me know below, do you guys deep condition before or after your shampoo, or do you mix it up? And yeah, what do you guys think about this? I'm curious. But thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you found it interesting, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.